This video will focus on setting and checking the three baselines of project management: scope, schedule, and budget. The first baseline is scope, which is defined by the Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS. The second baseline is the schedule. The third baseline is the budget. Let's begin by focusing on the scope baseline and the Work Breakdown Structure. The project is at the top of the WBS. The project is broken down into major deliverables, for example, deliverables 1, 2, and 3. Each deliverable is further divided into smaller work packages, such as package 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. For checking the scope, we consider the percentage of work completed for each work package. For example, package 1.1 is 10%, 1.2 is 20%, and 1.3 is 15%. Similarly, we assign percentages to the remaining work packages. We continue assigning percentages to all packages to define the entire scope. If a deliverable is a milestone, we can calculate the percentage of completed work for that milestone. For example, for deliverable 1, 45% is estimated for the milestone. Now we can compare the estimated percentage for the milestone, 45%, with the actual concluded percentage, which is 40%. This allows us to visualize the current progress and identify any gaps in the scope completion, shown here as a percentage of success. Next, let's look at the schedule baseline. For deliverable 1, the estimated project duration at the start was 255 hours. Deliverables 2 and 3 have their own estimated durations, culminating in an overall initial timeline. The sum of all estimated durations gives us the initial timeline of 365 hours. During the project, we track the time consumed for each deliverable up to a milestone. For deliverable 1, the time consumed is 320 hours. Now we estimate the remaining time for the other deliverables to determine the current timeline. By summing the time consumed and the remaining estimated durations, the current timeline is projected at 430 hours. Comparing the current time-consuming 320 hours to the initial estimated time, 255 hours, we see a 125% increase in time consumption for deliverable 1. Finally, let's analyze the budget baseline. The initial budget for deliverable 1 was $60,000 US. Deliverables 2 and 3 had initial budgets of $65,000 US and $25,000 US respectively. The total initial budget for the project was $150,000 US. As of the milestone check, the budget consumed for deliverable 1 is $84,000 US, shown as a consumption bar. The total budget consuming up to the milestone is $84,000 US. By re-estimating the costs for the remaining deliverables, we arrive at a current budget of $174,000 US. The current budget consumed for deliverable 1 at $84,000 US represents 140% of the initial estimated budget.